Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I am going to finally share my October daily flip through. This is completed, you guys. I did all 31 days and look how bulky it is. I did have to change strategy and basically try to keep it to one picture per day towards the end, because I felt like I was running out of space here, and I do feel like I need to get bigger rings. But I was also thinking that maybe I haven't tried this, and I don't know if people, I haven't really seen any videos, but I was wondering if I could do like a string of elastic through, and then the elastic will give me a little bit more mobility, you know, to make this somewhat better, because it's always thinner here and then like so thick over here. And then usually my covers end up being like bent like that. So anyway, so I'm gonna try to find you know, like something, maybe bigger rings, or just like find something that's gonna be able to be flexible. So anyways, I'm not gonna talk to you guys a whole lot about the couple pages, because I've already shared pages 1 through 16. So for those, I'm just gonna let you see the flip through, and then we will go towards the 17 to 31 basically. So here's my cover, and then I still have not made that pocket, you guys. Honestly, I don't even know, because this is so late and I'm already behind on Christmas stuff, and so I don't know if I'm gonna create the pocket. But I did end up journaling up here a little bit of that. See right here, like what days, what it signifies, or what it was supposed to be. So so yeah, okay, let's just get started because I'm rambling. Okay, so this one, still super cute. I absolutely love that stamp set. And you see my pockets right here, these pictures, and you guys have seen this is a pocket as well. That's what it looks like in the front, and then journaling, and that in the back. This one flips over like so, and that, then just some journaling here. This was at the corn maze. You guys have seen this. This was made from a gift bag from Michael's. I just cut the circle and sewed around it and made it into like a little decoration. And then just an October sunset. And then here's my spooky cocktail. And then I think this is 17. Yes, it is. So for the numbers, I ended up using either my pen to write it in, or a stamp set with numbers, so that I could stamp the number on the pictures. I didn't want to use stickers because I didn't have enough, so I just ended up doing that. It's just a picture of our pumpkins that we carved. And then number 18 was just some snuggle there. And then number 19, the kids baking. And then number 19 is like my favorite craft that I made this year, or my, not favorite craft, but like my embellishment. I absolutely love this, so I wanted to put it there because I followed, I know I've said this in the previous videos, but I followed Jen Swift Crafts October daily photo op, and or props, I'm sorry, I said photo ops, photo props. And for one of those days she had like Halloween craft, and so I just honestly, I needed to find a place for it, but I love the way it turned out there. And then number 21, the family making some cinnamon apple monkey bread basically. So that's that. And then the kids getting promoted. Then for 23, it's just a foggy morning. This is like at the beginning of my run, and then this is towards the end of my run. So, and then 24, scary movie. Even though some of you are gonna be like, that's not scary at all. I don't like scary movies, so this is as scary as I get. And then 25, another tryout of like Halloween costumes. And then 26 is just a picture of my hubby. It's not very Halloween, but I didn't have anything else for that day, so I just added him here. That's him down here. And then, let me see. I still haven't made that pocket, that little groove in here. 20, okay, so wait, 24, 25, 26. So 27 is the picture of my son at school getting promoted. Then 28 is the picture of the moon. And then 29 is my daughter. So my daughter's birthday is the first week of November, and we had went to Target on that day, and she bought herself like a little $4 piñata so that she could celebrate her, smash it for her birthday. I thought that was super cute. So that's 29, and then 30 is Cholo's birthday. You guys can see. And then just a small picture of actually Halloween. And the reason why I kept this small picture is because I did take pictures that I'm gonna actually add to the 12 by 12 scrapbook album basically. So I only wanted to like capture like a small glimpse of it, but the layout or the scrapbook pages are gonna go more, you know, have more pictures and stuff like that. So anyways, you guys, that is gonna be my flip through. I'm so happy I did it. I almost gave up, to be honest. I almost gave up because I thought that I wouldn't be able to fit everything in here, and I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't prepare for a second album. What am I gonna do? You know, I'm gonna run out of space. And it was just so, oh my gosh, wait, now this does not fit in here. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out what am I gonna do. So let me get a ring here, because my last piece is I'm gonna add this little witch in here. There we go. Okay, so you guys, this is ready to be put on the shelf. I am super excited, and I am happy that I stuck with it. I really did almost give up, but I have to figure something out with this. I always have the problem of my projects end up being so bulky, and I always have to up the size of the ring, and it's kind of annoying, to be honest. But either way, I'm happy I committed myself to actually doing it, and I can officially tell you guys I am like done with it. So this could go on the shelf. Now I need to scrapbook my Halloween pictures, and then move on to Christmas stuff. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed my little flip through, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.